Move back, move back. Wow, Nathan is wearing Jollibee costume. Look, it's the baby Jollibee. It's a baby Jollibee. So cute. Wow, so cute. You're so cute, anak. You're a baby Jollibee. Han kita. Wow, mommy, we picture. Oh, you pogi. Come on, put it. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Another. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. And cheese. And cheese. And cheese. And cheese. And cheese. You will wear it on your birthday. Baby Jollibee. Pang 4 to 5.
Oh, 4 to 5?
Oo. Oh, you're so cute. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, doon na. Look! Look! Ay, Jollibee yan. Binili ko. Look, the Jollibee. Look! Ang cute. You're so cute, anak. Hello, Nathan. Hello, baby Jollibee. Hello, baby Jollibee. Be careful. Be careful. Do not run. Just walk. Han kita. Nathan is so cute. Are you okay?
It's not hot, Nathan. We'll
Take off na. Take off na. Take off. It's so hot. Okay. Take off na. Take off na. It's so cold. Our baby Jollibee. Doon sa likod, Dad. Sa likod. Zipper. There, baby Jollibee. Be careful. Nandahan, Daddy. Nandahan.
Pinagpapawisan na.
Okay. At least, kumasya. Be careful, you might slide.
Another one.
I want to wear my clothes again.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, see you again. Yes, you will wear it again. No, not now. On your birthday na. On your birthday party. Yes. Ne.
Okay. No.
Okay, yan muna guys. Bye.